At DHL, our large item home delivery service is here to help. You can trust us as we've been doing it for over 25 years, delivering over 4 million products every year. Once your customer has placed their order, they're in control, choosing the slot that suits their schedules. And with two-way customer messaging, they never need to chase and can easily change the date and time if needed. To avoid unexpected issues on arrival, our simple pre-delivery assessment helps identify potential risks, together with the What 3 Words tool, ensures we can find even the most difficult location. With over 50 home delivery centres, we can deliver to every postcode throughout the UK and Ireland at a time that best suits. Once we've collected an order from a supplier or picked it from our own warehouse, your customer will receive a notification that it's on its way. Using an optimised route to minimise emissions, as well as trialling electric trucks and alternative power trains, is all helping to deliver your items in a cleaner, greener way. When we're an hour away, our delivery specialists will call your customer to check they'll be in. Having received training in a specially built house, our delivery specialists are ready to provide a first-class experience, delivering the item to the room of choice and installing or building it too, all helping to reduce the number of returns. We take old, unwanted items away too, recycling them to ensure fewer and fewer end up in landfill. Our focus is on delivering market-leading customer experience, so our central delivery control tower constantly analyses customer responses. With our delivery specialist receiving daily feedback, our whole team is driving ongoing service improvements and achieving market-leading NPS scores. DHL provides the largest large-item home delivery service in the UK. So whether you're running a store, e-commerce or omni-channel operation, our large item home delivery solution will delight your customers each and every time.